guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to share with you my experience in Sadar market. It's in Delhi and you have to get down either at Chandni Chowk metro station or Pulbangish metro station. Anything is fine because after a point you still have to walk no matter which metro station you get down at. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you have to be really energetic. It might sound like a very lame tip, but you have to be really energetic to just go and spend an entire day in the market, because it's so crowded, so noisy, and you have to walk a lot. Even though there are e-rickshaws available, when you see the crowd that's there, you'll actually prefer walking rather than taking an e-rickshaw. And the second thing is that you have to have a lot of cash if you want to buy things, because I think most of the shopkeepers, they don't accept credit card, debit card, or any sort of online wallet. So cash is the king in that market. And the third thing is that since it's a wholesale market and you get things in bulk, like you'll have to buy a dozen or a kg, and sometimes we as individuals, we don't need to have that amount of stuff for ourselves. So we mainly went for Diwali shopping, but I thought that if I'll get something that's usable and that I need for my art and craft thing, so I'll get it. So when I went there, a lot of people told me that you have to buy a dozen of this or a kg of this. They tell you to buy a kg or dozen, but obviously that's not possible sometimes. So you have to have a lot of bargaining or convincing skills that you want to buy, say, 2 pieces or 5 pieces, whatever is your requirement. So you need to kind of convince them, and sometimes shopkeepers do agree to sell you. They can open their packets and give you 1 or 2 pieces. So for that you have to be a little bit convincing. So yeah, that's that. And apart from that, I don't think I have anything in mind, but if I have, I'll leave it in the comment section and I'll pin that comment. So yeah, so let's just, because I did not get a lot of stuff, I just got 3 or 4 things. So I'll just show you whatever I got, and you can actually make sense of if you want to go there for your needs or not. Okay, so the first thing that I got is, it's this paper ribbon thing that we actually decorate our houses with on birthdays and stuff. But because I like the packet, and I think it was for 40 rupees. So I thought that why not, it's cute and it's pretty, so I got it. The second thing that I got is this packet of wool. So it has 6 pieces in it, and I got it for 30 rupees. And because I usually make tassels or pom-poms at home, so I need these, and I got it in 6 colors. So I got it in purple, I got it in pink, orange, and red. Yeah, so these are the 2 things that I got from Sadar market, because a lot of things that I could not get because they were selling in wholesale. And yeah, one thing more that I got from Sadar, I can't find it. And these are really pretty sheets, as you can see the print. So I got so he was telling me to buy I think 20 or 25 pieces, but I convinced him and he gave me like 5 of these. So yeah, so I think it's a really pretty print, so I liked it. And yeah, and from Chandni Chowk I got 2 things, and first of it is, these are the ropes that I got. Okay, so there are a lot of ropes in this. I'll show you one by one. So for right now, you can see this. I'll just yeah, the last thing that I got are those mirrors that you use in craft work. So I'll insert the clip of that mirror and you can see. And I got it because I do a lot of mirror craft, so I got half kg of 2 or 3 kind. Let me know if you want me to do more of these kind of hauls or vlogs and tips and tricks for the local markets in Delhi. So I'll do that for you, and thank you so much for watching till now, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends or family who want to go to Sadar, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.